always love to get the Wantable Cozytober boxes. So I just recently shared with you my style edit one, and now this is the active edit one. So we're gonna unbox this together, and these are just some really cool theme boxes that I like to pick up each year. So let's get started unboxing this Cozytober Active edit. So Wantable is a styling subscription service, and they do send you 9 items to try out, see if there's anything that you like from the box. And there is a $20 styling fee, but it does go toward anything that you do purchase from the box. And here is what the box looks like inside. Looks like it is double stacked, so I'm not going to be able to pull out the entire bundle for you. So I'm just going to have to pull it out of the box as we go through. And it is personalized. It says styled for Amanda. And let's see what's inside this box. Then this one has this quilted tote as a free gift. Looks like it also has a crossbody strap, so you can carry this crossbody too. So this is a cute little quilted tote that if you at least purchase one thing from this box, you'll be able to keep this as a free gift. So the first thing is from Interval, and it is the Intention Solid Knit Shirt in Heather Cream, size medium. Feels really nice. And then next up is, looks like a puffer jacket. This is from Interval as well. Off-season jacket in black. Looks like it's a crop style with a little chevron detail to it. And then now I can kind of pull this bundle out. So in the box, you get the pre-labeled shipping package, so you can send anything back that you don't want. And then it's talking about the new reward system. So used to, when you purchased so many, you would get a percentage off. Now it's, depending on how many you keep, you'll get credit towards another fix. And then you have your little note from your stylist, also all of the things that are in here and the price. Next thing up is stripes. This is from Recreation by Thread and Supply. The Turner hoodie in ivory black stripe. It does feel pretty soft. It does have that little hoodie. It's a thinner style hoodie. And we'll see how that looks on. Next thing is from Interval. Very soft. It is the Brooklyn Off the Shoulder Pullover in a Moonlight, and I'll try all these on in a minute. Now, this feels really good and cozy. This is from Interval as well. The Flex Fleece V-neck top in black. Feels really soft. On the inside, it feels super soft as well. And then something else from Interval. It is the Cocoon cardigan in textured black. This is a longer style cardigan. And then these feel like that scuba knit material from Walmart or the Air Essentials from Spanx. From Thrive Society, patch pocket lounge jogger in carbon. So you get side pockets, drawstring, feels really nice. And then these joggers are from Interval. The Flow Heather Sculpt Highland jogger in red wine. So another jogger style. And then this is either a vest. Yes, this is a vest from Interval. This is a beautiful color. It is the collared puffer vest in spruced up, size medium. Usually in vests, I do have to go up a size, so we'll see how all of this looks on. So here is the first outfit she suggested, and this is that tunic style. It does have the bottom coverage, but not all bottom coverage. Slits on the side. It's a V-neck. Feels so soft on the inside. Then these are the joggers, and they're in this red wine color. Now, these feel good. They have a fleece lining in the pockets, but these literally feel like some that I have already gotten from Halara and a few off of Amazon, so I don't think I need another pair of joggers that are like this. They're not the fleece on the inside. They almost feel like a microfiber, if you will. So here is that puffer style jacket she suggested to put over this outfit. It does have the wine right here that kind of matches back with the joggers. This is really nice and warm. It is that puffer style, more cropped. And I do love the light pink and then that red wine on it, side pockets. And then it does zip and button both. So I think this is something that could keep you definitely very warm and cozy. So this jacket is off-season jacket in black, $149. The top is the Flex Fleece V-neck top, $89. And the joggers are the Flow Heather Sculpt Highland jogger, $98. So definitely the joggers are going back. This is super soft, but I don't know if it's $89 soft. And I do like this jacket. So this is the black and white striped hoodie. I definitely don't care for this one. I don't really like the fit. I'm not really fond of stripes, but definitely these that are further apart just are not very flattering at all. And I just kept one paired with those red joggers. And I'm gonna put on that cardigan, the cocoon cardigan, and see how it looks. So here is the cardigan, and it's definitely longer than I like. I don't really care for long style cardigans. So this cardigan is the cocoon cardigan in textured black, $84. This top is the Turner hoodie in ivory black stripes, $78. So again, some very expensive items. Okay, she also suggested to put this vest over this hoodie with these joggers. I'm not sure about this color combo, that I would usually do this color combo, but I do think I like this vest. It is that shorter style vest. It's quilted, but not too puffy. So I love the color. So I'm thinking that I might keep this. And the medium seems to fit because this hoodie's kind of a thicker hoodie. So it zipped really nicely over top of it. So this vest is the collared puffer vest in spruce up. It's $89. So it's kind of expensive for a vest, but it's really nice. I mean, I think Quince has the down vest that I picked up for $49. So they're a more affordable price and they're really good quality. I love those. So I really like this cozy casual look. This top is really soft on the inside. It is an off the shoulder. I did just pull it off of one shoulder and I like the color. I think it's a really pretty color. So this is like more of a peacock blue and then this is like a navy blue. These are those pants that feel like they have a little bit of modal and they just feel really nice. They're good and stretchy, pull on style, side pockets. They do have the band at the bottom to make them jogger style. So I kind of really like this outfit. I think it's very comfortable and casual. So this top is the Brooklyn off the shoulder pullover in Moonlight, $79. The pants are the patch pocket lounge jogger in carbon and they are $88. So it is a kind of expensive outfit, but it's a really cool casual outfit that I can just see myself when I'm doing errands and just picking up the kids from school. This is gonna be something I can just throw on and be super comfortable in. So this is the last top. This is a button-up top and it has that brushed fleece feel. It's in a cream color and I think you can't go wrong with a button front. You can wear this under blazers. This is a little bit of a thicker material and I do like how soft that it feels. So this one is kind of cozy and of course you can wear this open with something to layer under it. But I definitely think I like this. It's just a classic button front and it feels really nice and it is a little bit smaller but it's not gapping right here, so that's what I have to worry about with the button fronts, that it gaps right here. So this one is Intention solid knit shirt in heather cream, $69. I think this is the cheapest thing in this box. Yeah, so this top is the cheapest thing. They range from $69, which is this, to $149, which is that puffer style jacket. So if I purchase at least one thing from this box, then my $20 styling fee will go toward it, and then I will get that quilted tote for free, which is a $65 value. And after tax and everything, the total for all 9 items would be $881.29. The off-the-shoulder top in that really pretty blue color with these pants, I really liked that look together. And then I do like this top. I think it's just a great basic. The cardigan, that cocoon cardigan in that longer style, I don't need it because I have something very similar to it, just a little bit shorter. And then the black and white stripe top hoodie, I don't like it. And then those joggers, I like the fit of those joggers, but I literally do have some very similar to those that I got from Halar that are like half the price. And then that flex v-neck top that has that brushed fleece material, it's so comfortable, but I cannot see myself paying $90 for just a regular sweatshirt. And then that puffer jacket was really nice. I liked how comfortable it was. I like that it was more of that crop style because I really don't have a puffer jacket that's a crop style. So I did really like that and I liked the chevron pattern, but I'm not sure if I liked it for $150. I love the vest. That vest is really nice, but again, I don't know if I want to pay $90 for a vest. What do you guys think about this box? Did you feel like this was a pretty good box? And what did you like out of this box? Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do fashion videos, try to keep it as affordable as possible. Also do lifestyle, beauty, and travel videos as well. And if that is something of interest to you guys, then I would love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.